Welcome everyone. My name is Cheryl Grazier, and I'm going to be presenting a conversation or a dialogue regarding making the move to manager or to management. Now, I know a lot of women are now starting to make that move up. And we're starting to appreciate the fact that we need to be there to help others that are coming behind us. And that's what this is all going to be about. This webinar is going to be about the ideas of some simple but effective and efficient tools you can use to make that transition better, easier for you, for your employer, for the people that will be reporting to you. And also setting those ground lines so that you can be training others and what they need to be doing to successfully move forward themselves. I think it's going to be a great topic. And the reason that I am so excited about it is because this is one of the elements that we as women tend to forget to do, to help those beside us, those that are going after us and reaching down to help those that are coming with us. I think you'll enjoy it. Come and visit Making the Move to Manager.